Morning. In today's video, we're headed out to Joshua Tree to take a look at several properties. One being one under contract that my wholesaler here, Joe, got under contract last week. And so this is the day that we made the appointment to actually go out and take a look at the property. Joe, how did you end up getting that property?
We took some public records data of some fully paid off properties in Joshua Tree and put them on a call campaign.
Okay, and then who called them?
We had a virtual assistant.
Okay, so somebody from like overseas.
Yeah.
Kind of warmed up the lead for you.
Yeah, they served as a pre-qualifier, and then I went in to chat with them afterwards.
Okay, and then you ended up putting this property under contract, and it's signed. We're at the stage where we're doing our investigation at this point.
Correct.
Okay, so anyways, we're headed out that way. There's gonna be a lot more in this week's video for you to take a look at. Okay, we just got here to the property. It's the one over here to the right, and the owners are here, and we're gonna go inside and take a look at this place. From all indications on what I see outside, it's probably gonna be the same as what I see inside. Not the perfect home that was built 20 years ago or whatever, and it's probably gonna be what I would call in rent condition, less than rent condition. We'd have to bring it back to rent condition, but we'll take a look when we see inside, and we'll go from there. Okay, we're back in the car. Joe, the wholesaler's talking to the folks again. They were so depressed of what they saw, which I kind of predicted that it was in terrible condition. They've got 4 dogs out there. The inside, as you'll see on the video, was really bad. So Joe's out there talking to him again, and I'm hoping he renegotiates our deal after taking a look at it. But even without renegotiating a deal, it's still a good flip. It's not a bad property. So we'll go from there. Okay, we've come to take a look at this house as basically a comparable to the property that we just left, and we have it under contract. And so this is basically a flip, and we wanted to compare the two to see what this looks like. You can see that the fencing is like gorgeous. That's something that should be done. And let me see if I can find the lockbox to get in. Have you?
Yeah.
Okay, see, now they put mini split air conditioning, which is pretty cool for the bedrooms. That might be something that you'd want to do. Each bedroom has a mini split. At the end of the day, this is what you want one of the bathrooms, a master bathroom, to look like. Get the wow factor going.
I saw yours on this little black one. I know. Wow.
If he gets the price for this. Yeah, it's got laundry out here. It's got a sauna. Are you willing to finance the deal so that we can pay you as soon as we're done rehabbing the place?
Even at that lower price?
Even at the lower price, yes.
Okay.
Yeah. If they say no, they say no, but at least you got them down.